Welcome back! In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to mute your Instagram notifications for 2 hours using the latest update on PC. If you need a break from constant alerts without fully turning everything off, this feature is perfect. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're on the home screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see the 3-line menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a panel with different options. From here, select Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all your account controls and preferences. Inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section lets you manage how and when Instagram sends you alerts. Now click on Push Notifications. This is where you control real-time alerts like messages, likes, and activity updates. At the top of this section, you'll see an option called Pause All. Turn this on, and Instagram will give you a few time options to choose from. Select 2 hours. Once you do that, all your notifications will be temporarily muted for the next 2 hours. You won't receive any push alerts during this